Okie dokie, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, Mom! It took me a while to start the vlog today, ladies and gentlemen. Why? I will tell you why. Because we got up around 9 o'clock at Rados. He went to work around 5, and me and Yabor, we slept in, and we looked outside, and outside is that, ladies and gentlemen. The weather outside is terrible. It's cold, it's almost 0 degrees Celsius. And it's raining, it's windy, it's just disgusting. And I really didn't want it to vlog anywhere around outside. The other thing I have on my jacket over here, ladies and gentlemen, the zipper is kind of broken. So every time when I zip my jacket, that thing unzips. So I was really unfortunate outside with a little broken umbrella, all shrinked on the bus stop waiting for the rescue of the bus. And now we're home, the fireplace is running, and there is a Fred Flintstone on the TV. Of course, Banica. Banica as well. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, every time when I handle my tarantulas, there's a little thrill, and I love it. Look at that. That's my little tarantula that I just had to get out of the terrarium. And I believe usually you look underneath the abdomen, which is the big body behind the whole thing, looking for the sex of the tarantula. Why I had to take it out is because I am trying to combine these two terrariums into one. I just took that wall over here into the terrarium, and I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I'm gonna take these bars, which were for the air for the terrarium, and I added that mesh over here, and I glued it. And I'm gonna join these two terrariums so I can have a bigger terrarium for my tarantula. You know, taking care of your animals. Yes. Huh? What are we doing there? What did you find? Oh, peeing again? Jesus. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Jesus, look at the weather. Seriously, yesterday I was debating whether or not should I take a jacket when I was going out, and God, thank God I took one. Apparently there was going to be the forecast for the weekend is snow here and there, and we were planning to go on a little. Oh, Jesus, Aris. We're planning to go on a little hike into the mountains. This weekend, this Saturday, to go to one of those cabins into the mountains. It's a great time, but if the weather is not good, I don't think we will. But we don't know yet. Right now the alert is that we will go as long as it's not raining. Snow's not that bad. Okie dokie, ladies and gentlemen, that needs to be recorded. First off, look at the fireplace. The fireplace needs to be open a little bit so air can go through it and flames can burst into that wood. But I have to record something. Hello, everybody! How we doing, everybody? Do you know that I have a huge affection from beans? I do love my beans. Look at that happy family. Look at that. Oh my. Ooh, we're talking about socialism. Ladies and gentlemen, beans. And the most important thing is that these little breads that my mom baked, they are wonderful. What is that? Come on. It's a beer bread for some reason. Apparently it's cooked with milk and beer. But it's good. Pretty good. Good night.